Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can email eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To email eHarmony, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in eharmony.com/aboutus and make a search. Here you can see the email address of eHarmony displayed on the screen. Now, open up your Gmail application. The home page of Gmail will appear on the screen. Click on Compose option at the bottom of the page. Enter eHarmony's email address right below your email address. Enter a subject and compose your email. After you're done typing in your email, tap on arrow icon at the top right corner of the page. You can also attach any files to the email if you want to by clicking on stitch icon at the top right side. This is how you can email eHarmony quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.